Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my vlog channel. Today we're gonna be going back to school shopping. I know I posted a video back to school shopping on this channel a week ago, but we're doing it again and you guys liked that. It has like 200,000 views on my vlog channel, which is crazy. We are going to Mall of Georgia and I think we're gonna stop at TJ Maxx before we do that. But if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the little bell icon to turn on your hashtag post notifications. You can follow my social media and let's go shopping. We're now in Nordstrom Rack. I thought this was for old people, but apparently they have a lot of different clothes. I need jeans and appropriate shirts for school, so that's what we're gonna be looking for. This selection of jeans is not very good. They're all green and gray. You look scary right now.
Do I?
Yes. Why? Because your hood is on. You look like you're gonna go rob a bank.
Oh yeah, I am. That's me. Bank robber.
Found this one pair. These are Levi's Mile High Super Skinny. So I'm gonna try these on. Light wash looks weird on me because I'm really pale.
You mean it looks like your leg?
Yeah. It's the same color as my skin tone. Jean shopping is so boring. They all look the same.
You need at least 2 pairs. Come on.
Black,
$70 for a
black
pair of
jeans?
I just bought a pair of black jeans. My bill bought them.
For $70?
No, I bought them on Amazon. I bought them on Amazon. No, they're cool.
You
just wait.
You bought jeans
And they're
off
high-waisted. High-waisted bell bottoms.
You can buy clothes off Amazon.
Yes, they have this thing called fashion something.
Oh, I forgot to tell
like
people
these?
about my link on Amazon. Okay, that's a perfect segue. So, if you guys don't know, I am an Amazon ambassador partner. I don't get paid to talk about them, but I do have a link and it will be linked down below. Anything I buy off Amazon, I can put it into a folder and you guys can shop it. So if I talk about any products, you guys can literally shop the link. And I do get paid from that, but I'm not getting paid to talk about it. If you want to see anything that I've bought off Amazon, I have a back to school list and my recent purchase list. You can go check it out down below and cop whatever I buy. That's a good segue.
You're welcome.
My mom is over there looking for skirts. This store is kind of weird. She's making me try on these 2 jeans. I only like one of them, but I like shoes, so I'm gonna look at shoes. Look at the really pretty Adidas, Mom. Look. I like these shoes. These are really cute. Adidas's. Look. Fun fact about Katie, I hate jeans. Like, hate jeans. So this is the first pair. They're jeans. Like, what can I tell you? They're not cute. I don't like jeans. But nobody in my family has found anything that they like from Nordstrom. It's just kind of not our style. But I don't think any of us are buying anything from here. Next, we're gonna go to a shoe store and then TJ Maxx. I didn't like either of those jeans, so. Oh, by the way, this kid's gonna be in the same school as me now. Ugh. We're going on a trip. Watch me, nay, watch me whip. No. Why are we still in this store?
Dad, come on.
Father. I'll make you
It's
dizzy.
supposed to be kids' school supply shopping, and Dad's shopping for himself.
We're in TJ Maxx now, hoping for some better luck than last time. I'm in here looking at all these tops, and none of them are cute. They're all like not school appropriate, and my school has a dress code. So I don't know, like what is this? TJ Maxx used to be the stuff when I was little, and I feel like every time I come here now, I cannot find anything. I'm gonna keep going through and looking, but I feel like it's just not happening. So the first thing that I have is these Calvin Klein sweatpants. They're really comfy and cozy. They look green on camera, but they're blue. They're like a light blue color and I like them. They're kind of bigger on my waist, but other than that, they touch my ankles. So I like them. I don't know if I'll get them though because my mom hates sweatpants. These Reebok shorts are really cute. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but they have built-in underwear with them, and so they look see-through because of that. It looks like you can see my underwear line, but it's the built-in underwear in them, so I'm not gonna get these. They're a really cute color though, so I wish it didn't look like that. Hi, look, that's me. I'm getting this one shirt. We left TJ Maxx. I found one shirt and now we're gonna go to the mall, to all like the chain stores like Forever 21 and all that, and look for more clothes. The boys found so much clothes though. He's sitting on all the IKEA furniture. That's not legal. This is my JanSport that I had for like 3 years. It's red, it's burgundy actually, and I love it. It's my favorite. I'm gonna be getting the exact same backpack, just a new one because mine is so crusty. But we're in the mall now. This is JCPenney's because they're looking for book bags. I just found 2 shirts in the boys section. Literally t-shirts for girls are like the best place to shop at the boys section because they're cute. So I like these. They're like beachy shirts and they'll look good with Nike shorts. Why are you staring at me, Home Skilly? Home Skilly over here judging me. Someone's a little naked. The mall is packed. It's so crazy big. I just met a subscriber though, but we're going into Tilly's. Okay, I'm gonna go look for shirts in the girls section.
We should get this.
This is what I like to call bohemian. Everybody makes fun of me for it. I like the pants because they fit my long legs. Paparazzi, is that you?
This is pretty. I don't like the color though.
Ooh, I don't like green. I cannot find anything. The cat in the bag. You let the cat out of the bag.
Let's keep moving.
We're now in Rue 21. We stopped at ATTN and I got a water, but we shopping. Checking out of Rue 21, we found a pair of jeans and shorts because she's making me. I don't know what this store is called now, but since we've been in the mall for like 2.5 hours, I've only bought in one thing, and it is one pair of shorts. So I'm not having too much luck. I met a subscriber though, and I saw a girl say, I know her, but she didn't come up to me. But my mommy is shopping for me. She normally shops for me, and then I just tell her if I like it or not, because I don't like to shop for myself. Also, my legs are hurting. Oh, she likes this. Yes, is it soft or is it itchy?
No, it's soft. It's all pure cotton.
We've been shopping for so long, and I finally have 5 shirts now, so that's good. The mall is super crowded, and I have very, very bad hiccups. We're still looking for Forever 21 because my mom said it was here, but we cannot find it. Don't ever come back to school shopping at a huge mall. There's way too many people. We're in H&M. I found these pants. Well, actually, my mom found them. Okay, I gave you credit. And then these shorts. My dad's gonna go wait in line because he loves me the most.
We're vlogging on Katie's camera. What's up? Cam's getting into some buffalo, and we just got recognized by some of Katie's subscribers. We're not really famous, but Katie is. We're known as Katie's dad and Katie's brother. What's up, Catesters? Here we are, Mall of Georgia food court, and Chase is getting a Philly cheesesteak. Appreciate all the love for Katie.
We're about to see a movie.
What are we going to see?
Hobbs and Shaw.
Hobbs and Shaw. Say later. You're so weird. Katie, they even recognized your phone. I was trying to call you and I'm like, well, no wonder she's not answering, I have her phone. And they're like, that's iconic.
Hey guys, so I never ended this shopping vlog, but it happened yesterday. I actually just filmed my back to school clothing haul, and it will be going up, I think, tomorrow. If you don't believe me, here's all the stuff that I just showed in my haul. But I think that video should be going up tomorrow or in 2 days, sometime very soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it though. I know this shopping video was a lot shorter than normal, but we went into a lot of stores that I didn't end up showing. We went into Forever 21, H&M, all these different things, and I didn't end up showing half of it. Also, the mall was crazy packed. That was probably the most full mall that I've ever been to in my whole life. If you can't tell, I'm filming on my phone. That's why it's kind of like blurry. I'm exporting footage onto my laptop right now, so I can't put my SD card back on my camera. You don't care. Ooh, another fun thing that happened at the mall was I met 5 subscribers. I took pictures with all of them, and then I saw a bunch of people who recognized me but didn't say hi. I just want you guys to know that I'm not gonna bite. I'm not scary. I want you guys to come up to me just as much as you want to come to me. So do it. If you see me, come up to me, be like, hey, can I get a picture? You want to talk, chat? Let's do it. Also, when I was at the mall, my camera's broken, if you didn't know. On my camera, the flip up viewfinder screw came out, so it's been super wobbly and loose, and I thought I was gonna have to buy a new one. But when we were at the mall, my dad saw this little vendor who fixed broken phones, and he had a tiny enough screw to be able to fit in my camera and fix it, and he did it for free. He didn't even charge me, so shout out to him. He was so chill. Thanks for fixing my camera. I appreciate it. I don't think I have anything else to say. Thank you for watching though. I know I just posted a back to school shopping vlog on this channel like 4 days ago, and it's the same title and all that, but you guys like these videos. That one did really well on this channel, and I wanted to show you more. So you get a little behind the scenes before my haul comes out. So lucky you guys. You guys are exclusive. Also, thank you for 75K on this channel. That is absolutely insane. Soon enough, I'm gonna get another play button for my vlog channel. What? That's crazy! Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. You can follow all my socials, my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok, all of them. They're always linked down below. And with all of that, I will see you guys in my next video on this channel, or my main channel, or my Instagram. You'll find me somewhere else on the internet. Bye! Thanks for watching. Peace in the Middle East.